Have you ever stood in front of your closet feeling overwhelmed by choices, yet somehow nothing feels quite right? The truth is, the most elegant, curvy women over 50 know a secret that changes everything. The 3-3-3 rule. It's not about owning more. It's about knowing exactly which three things to focus on. And once you understand this simple framework, getting dressed becomes effortless, intentional, and utterly confident. Because elegance for curves isn't about rules, it's about clarity. There's a particular kind of exhaustion that comes with dressing a curvy body after 50. You try on outfit after outfit, each one feeling slightly wrong in ways you can't quite name. Too tight here. Too loose there. Somehow both overwhelming and underwhelming at once. And slowly, you start to believe that elegant dressing isn't meant for bodies like yours. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Curves after 50 are your greatest style asset, not your challenge. What you've been missing isn't willpower or discipline or even better clothes. It's a framework. A way of thinking about your wardrobe that honors your proportions, celebrates your shape, and makes every choice simpler. And that framework? It's waiting for you in 3 elegant principles. Today, I'm revealing the 3-3-3 rule that transforms how curvy women over 50 approach getting dressed: 3 focal points, 3 proportion rules, and 3 wardrobe essentials that make everything else fall into place. This isn't about restriction or hiding. This is about understanding what actually flatters curves with maturity, grace, and quiet confidence. So if you've felt lost in a sea of style advice that never seems to work for your body, this is your guide home. Let's discover how the 3-3-3 rule creates effortless elegance for the beautiful shape you have right now. The first 3, your 3 focal points. Here's what changes when you dress a curvy body after 50. You must choose where you want attention drawn, not everywhere at once, which creates visual chaos, not nowhere, which makes you disappear, but 3 specific focal points that create intentional, elegant balance. First focal point, your face and neckline. This is where you want eyes to land first, through beautiful necklines, elegant jewelry, or simply the glow of your skin against the right color. Second focal point, your shoulders and arms. Creating definition here frames your entire silhouette and draws the eye upward. Third focal point, your hemline and shoes. Where your outfit ends matters enormously for curvy bodies. It's the final note that creates balance or disrupts it. Notice what's not on this list. Your middle, your hips, your areas of fullness. Not because they should be hidden, but because they don't need emphasis. When you consciously create 3 clear focal points, face, shoulders, hemline, everything else simply exists in elegant harmony. Creating your first focal point, the neckline. For curvy women over 50, your neckline does more work than any other element of your outfit. It frames your face, creates vertical or horizontal lines, and determines whether your entire silhouette feels balanced or bottom-heavy. The secret is choosing necklines that create openness and length. A gentle V-neck that draws the eye down, creating the illusion of vertical space. A wide scoop neck that shows your collarbones and balances broader hips. An open collar that creates a triangle of skin at your throat. What to avoid? Tight crew necks that cut you off horizontally, making your whole body look wider. Turtlenecks that add visual weight above when you're already curvy below. High, closed necklines that create a boxy, shapeless effect. When your neckline is right open, elongating, and face framing, you've created your first focal point. And suddenly, your curves have context, proportion, and intentional elegance. Creating your second focal point, Defined shoulders. This transforms everything for curvy bodies. When you define your shoulders, you create a frame that makes everything below look more proportionate. Not big, aggressive shoulder pads from the 80s, but gentle structure that shows where your natural shoulder line ends. A set-in sleeve rather than a dropped one. A seam that sits exactly at the edge of your shoulder. Even the slightest suggestion of a cap sleeve. When your shoulders are defined, something magical happens to curvy silhouettes. Your waist looks smaller by comparison. Your hips look more balanced. Your entire body suddenly has an hourglass proportion, even if your natural shape isn't traditionally hourglass. Try this. Take a top with slouchy, dropped shoulders and compare it to one with defined shoulder seams. The difference in how your curves appear is remarkable. Defined shoulders don't add bulk. They create the architectural frame that lets curves be elegant rather than overwhelming. Creating your third focal point. Intentional hemlines. For curvy women, where your clothes end is just as important as where they begin. Your hemline creates the final visual statement, and it must be intentional. For tops and jackets, end either well above or well below your widest point, never exactly at it. A top that ends at mid-hip creates a horizontal line at your fullest place, but a top that ends at upper thigh or one that skims to just below the hip both create elegance. For skirts and dresses, the most flattering hemlines for curves hit just below the knee or at mid-calf. These lengths show beautiful legs without requiring anything from you, and they create a balanced proportion with fuller hips and thighs. For trousers, a hem that just touches the top of your shoe, creating a clean vertical line to the floor. When your hemlines are this intentional, they become your third focal point, and your entire silhouette suddenly makes visual sense. The second three, your three proportion. Rules. Now that you understand focal points, let's talk about the three proportion rules that make curves elegant after 50. First rule, fitted on top, ease on bottom, or ease on top, fitted on bottom. Never both tight, never both loose. A fitted knit top with wide leg trousers that flow, or a flowing tunic with slim ankle pants. This creates the balance that curvy bodies need. Second rule, define one point clearly waist, shoulders, or neckline, and let everything else be soft. Don't try to define everywhere simultaneously. Choose your definition point and build everything else around it with ease. Third rule, create vertical lines wherever possible. Long cardigans worn open, vertical seams in dresses, monochromatic dressing that creates an unbroken line. For curvy bodies, vertical always trumps horizontal. Always. When you follow these three proportion rules, your curves stop feeling like something to manage and start feeling like the elegant foundation of your personal style. The rule of fitted and ease. Let's make this completely practical. Imagine you're wearing a fitted knit top, something that shows you have shape without clinging inappropriately. Now pair it with wide leg trousers in a soft fabric that moves when you walk. The top says, "Yes, I have curves." The bottom says, "And I'm elegant about them." This balance is everything. The fitted piece shows proportion. The ease piece creates grace and movement. Together, they create the kind of effortless sophistication that makes people wonder how you always look so pulled together. Now reverse it. A flowing silk tunic with gentle gathering at the shoulder, paired with slim black pants that show your ankles. The top creates soft feminine volume. The bottom creates sleek definition. Neither piece is doing too much. Each has its role. And when curvy women master this fitted ease conversation, getting dressed stops being a battle and starts being a collaboration with their beautiful bodies. The rule of single definition. Here's where many curvy women lose their way. trying to define everything at once. A belted waist and structured shoulders and a fitted skirt all competing for attention. But elegance for curves comes from choosing one clear definition point. If you belt your waist, let your top and bottom have ease. If you define your shoulders with structure, let your middle be soft and your hemline flow. If you create a beautiful neckline, let everything else be simple and understated. This singular focus creates sophistication because it says, I know what I'm doing. I'm making intentional choices. I'm not trying to control every inch of my body. When you define one point and release everything else, you look confident, elegant, and completely at peace with your curves. And that peace, that's what true style looks like after 50. The third three, your 3 wardrobe essentials. Finally, let's talk about the 3 pieces. Every curvy woman over 50 needs to make the 3-3-3 rule work effortlessly. First essential, a long line cardigan in a neutral color that creates vertical lines and layers beautifully over everything. This becomes your third layer, your proportion creator, your instant elegance. Second essential, well-fitted trousers in a dark neutral with a slight flare or straight leg that balances your hips. Not tight, not baggy, but perfectly proportioned ease. Third essential, a collection of tops with beautiful necklines, V-necks, open collars, scoops that create your first focal point consistently. When you have these 3 categories covered, everything else in your wardrobe becomes easier. You're not starting from scratch every morning. You're building on a foundation of pieces that actually work for curves, for maturity, for the elegant life you're living now. The 3-3-3 rule isn't about restricting your choices or following rigid formulas. It's about giving yourself a framework that honors your curves instead of fighting them. 3 focal points that draw attention intentionally. 3 proportion rules that create balance without effort. 3 wardrobe essentials that make everything else fall into place. This is what elegant dressing offers curvy women over 50. Clarity instead of confusion. Intention instead of guesswork. The understanding that your beautiful, curvy body doesn't need to be controlled or hidden or apologized for. It simply needs to be dressed with wisdom. And that wisdom, it comes from knowing where to create focus, how to balance proportion, and which pieces form the foundation of effortless style. You haven't lost the ability to dress beautifully. You've simply needed a framework that actually works for you. And now you have it. If the 3-3-3 rule gave you clarity you've been searching for, if you finally understand how to dress your curves with confidence instead of confusion, then join this community of women rediscovering timeless elegance. We're not following trends or chasing impossible standards. We're learning the quiet wisdom that makes style effortless and beautiful for every body at every age. Subscribe to continue this journey, because you deserve to feel elegant in your curves. You deserve a framework that works, and you deserve to get dressed every morning with confidence, clarity, and the kind of grace that only comes from truly understanding your beautiful self.